I am Professor Suresh Sharma from the Department of Statistics, Panjab University, Chandigarh. Earlier, I was the chairperson of the department from 2006 to 2009. I was heading the Center for Systems Biology and Bioinformatics from 2010 to 2018. My area of research is biostatistics. I am working into the area of predictive modeling, some cancer predictions, and air pollution predictions. So all these areas are of interest to me, and basically I'm holding number of projects with the doctors from PGI Hospital and ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research.